It began with a single email. An American design firm had just completed an intricate stormwater management plan for a major development project. Every contour line, every grading calculation, every utility layout had been the result of months of collaboration. The file was sent to an outsourcing partner overseas for final detailing. But somewhere along the way, that file was copied, duplicated, and used in another project without permission. By the time the firm discovered what had happened, the damage was irreversible. Trust between client and consultant had been broken, and the intellectual property that represented years of expertise was gone. This is not an isolated case. In the fast-moving world of civil engineering, intellectual property theft is a silent risk that can undermine even the most carefully planned projects. Designs are more than technical documents. They are the creative and strategic core of a company's identity. Losing control over them can mean far more than losing a single project. It can mean losing reputation, credibility, and the competitive edge that took years to build. Outsourcing has become an essential part of how many civil engineering firms operate. It offers a way to scale resources, gain access to specialized expertise, and meet deadlines that would otherwise be impossible. But the benefits can only be realized if the risks are managed with care. The key lies in working with a partner that protects intellectual property with the same dedication applied to engineering precision. AXA Engineers exemplifies this approach. With more than 15 years of industry experience, a team of over 80 skilled engineers, and 3 interconnected offices, AXA Engineers has earned the trust of numerous U.S. firms. From civil engineering design to land development planning and CAD services, the company consistently delivers results that combine technical excellence with uncompromising security. A defining strength of AXA Engineers is its position as a leader in software compliance. Every project is developed using fully licensed Civil 3D software, making the company a pioneer in Vietnam in maintaining strict adherence to licensing requirements. This practice eliminates the vulnerabilities that come with unlicensed platforms, from corrupted files to potential breaches, ensuring that every design remains intact and secure. Technology is another cornerstone of protection. AXA Engineers integrates Autodesk Construction Cloud into its workflow, ensuring that project data is stored in secure environments, shared only with authorized personnel, and tracked in real time. This means that every change can be monitored, every file version can be controlled, and every document is accessible only to those who should see it. By embedding these safeguards into its processes, the company transforms collaboration from a potential point of weakness into a controlled and transparent system. AXA Engineers has built its reputation not only through technical achievements, but also through enduring partnerships with leading U.S. firms. Projects completed under challenging conditions, solutions tailored to complex site requirements, and the ability to integrate seamlessly into client workflows have made the company a trusted extension of in-house teams. Each collaboration strengthens a relationship built on reliability, precision, and respect for the unique value of every design. Choosing AXA Engineers as an outsourcing partner is not just a business decision. It is a strategic step towards safeguarding the creative and technical assets that define a project. Every drawing, model, and design is handled with a dual focus on precision and protection. Clients can move forward with the confidence that their intellectual property will never be compromised, even as projects grow in scale and complexity. In civil engineering, each line on a plan tells part of a larger story. Those lines represent not only technical specifications, but also vision, innovation, and the promise of a future built on solid ideas. Losing control over them is not an option for companies that value their legacy and ambitions. Partnering with an organization that understands this truth makes the difference between outsourcing that feels risky and outsourcing that becomes a competitive advantage. AXA Engineers demonstrates that efficiency and protection do not have to be opposing forces. They can coexist, strengthening each other and driving success without compromise. In an industry where trust is as important as technical skill, that balance is not just valuable, it is essential.